Are you looking for ways to make money from home being a stay-at-home mom? Today I'm going to give you 8 ways to make money from home or from your basement. And I'm Brittany from The Savvy Couple. Welcome to our channel. Here we go. Now, I wasn't always a stay-at-home mom. I was a 4th grade teacher before I left that position to stay home with my daughter and run The Savvy Couple full-time with my husband. So if I can leave my job and replace my income with my side hustle, now turned full-time job, so can you. And I'm so excited to dive into these 8 ways so you can stay home with your child while still making money on the side. If you're not currently subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. We want you to be able to stay home with your family, stop paying those ridiculously expensive childcare costs, and you can use these 8 ways to make money from home, leave your job, and spend more time with your family. Okay, so before I dive into the 8 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom, I want to say that there was 3 things that all of these jobs had to hit in order for them to make my list. Family, flexible, and unlimited income potential. Those are 3 things that all these jobs had to have as a qualification in order to make my list. Alright, the first job that I have for you today is to teach for VIPKid. And what that is it's teaching English online to Chinese students abroad. And if Kellen can do it, you can do it. He taught Monday through Friday from like 5 or 6 to about 8 in the morning till Callie woke up. And he was able to make about $800 to $1,200 a month. So it's really good money, and you do need a bachelor's degree, have Wi-Fi, have your computer, and if you have experience working with children, then you have all of the qualifications to teach online through VIPKid. So I'm going to go ahead and link below more information on VIPKid and where you can sign up. The second job as a way to make money at home as a stay-at-home mom is to start a blog. This is what Kellen and I did in order to both leave our jobs. He was a jail deputy, I was a 4th grade teacher, and our blog, The Savvy Couple, allowed both of us to quit our jobs and stay home. So we have a free Start Your Blog Bootcamp course that we'll also go ahead and link down below that will walk you through some of the beginning steps to get your own blog started. And as long as you have a passion for something and you're ready to help teach somebody else, you have the qualifications to be a blogger. The third way to make money as a stay-at-home mom is through proofreading. So if you maybe you catch errors a lot of what people are putting out there, or you're reading something, there's a lot of errors, you can be a proofreader and you can take a free course. We'll also link that below where you can get started today to learn how to become a proofreader and to make money from it. It's a great way to have flexibility and set your own hours and work whenever you have time. So in between naps or when the kids go down to bed, it's a great thing that you can do to start making money online. The fourth job to make money as a stay-at-home mom is through Etsy. So if you're really creative, if you have a Cricut, if you make printables, if there's something that you are making on the side, maybe for your kids already, put that to use and put it up on Etsy. You can make some really good money selling your own products through your own Etsy store. Okay, so I'm halfway through my 8 jobs. I'm at number 4, and I just have to know. Please let me know in the comments. Is there something that you're passionate about that you can use in order to start making money at home online? Let me know. I'll answer. Let's have the toilet flush right in my video. So now we're going to wait for the water to run down and the water to stop, and for Kellen to walk down the stairs. Alright, number 5. Become a freelance writer. There are so many blogs out there and different people who need content written for them. If you love writing and it's easy and it's natural for you, it's something that you can use to make money. You can go onto websites like Upwork, and people are looking to pay people to write for them. They might have started a blog and they are looking for someone to write content on a topic that they don't have much knowledge about. So you can use your mommy background of naps and sleep schedule, something that maybe you went to school for. You can use all of that knowledge to write different content for people who need it, and you can get paid for it. Alright, the 6th job that you can do as a stay-at-home mom to make some extra income is to be a photographer. There are so many free courses out on the internet that you can take to learn how to be a photographer, how to take excellent pictures. Whether it's newborns or weddings, you can make some serious money. Even if you get really good at taking portraits of families during the holidays and you do like mini sessions, you can make a killing. Start with your friends, get them in, take their pictures, use all those pictures and build up a portfolio. I also love the option of becoming a photographer because this way you can stop paying other people to take your own family's photos, and you can be savvy and save some money and just start taking your own families as practice. The 7th job to stay at home and make some extra money is through becoming a virtual assistant. And what a virtual assistant does is they get hired through maybe a blog or a company who is looking to outsource different tasks that they need help with and need someone else to do, that they can focus their time on tasks that make them the most money. So different day-to-day tasks, maybe checking emails, making Pinterest images, maybe doing some proofreading and some writing along with that. But using a virtual assistant has a lot of people making some good money, that they have flexibility in their schedule to work for somebody else, but when they have time to do it. So virtual assistant is a great opportunity for a family. We'll link some information below about becoming a virtual assistant too. Alright, the 8th way to make money as a stay-at-home mom is through a YouTube channel, kind of like this one. We have a blog that it's connected to our YouTube channel, but if you just wanted to start a YouTube channel, there's definitely ways to make money through ads and sponsorships. So if you are already recording memories of your family, or you have a lot of knowledge on a certain topic, you can use that to inform people on YouTube and get them behind you and subscribed, and you can make some money on YouTube by becoming a full-time YouTuber. These were our 8 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom. So make sure you like this video, comment below, let me know if you're interested in starting any of these, and if you need some more information, I can send it along to you. So remember, all of these jobs, they had to hit 3 major requirements in order for them to work. So they had to put family first, they had to be flexible, and the unlimited income potential on all of them. So I hope you like this video on these 8 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom, and get out there and get started, and hope you can make some money.